Okay, let me know if you see my screen.
Yeah, I can see the screen.
Okay, let's get started.
Sure.
So where do I go from here?
So let me check. List your first product from the left side of the screen, you see. Okay, black form. Start. Discard. Right here the product name, full name, the title.
I can change it in the future, right?
Yeah, right. Okay, confirm. Write the
Okay.
brand name.
Sorry?
Write the brand name which is on the product packaging.
Oh. Okay.
Okay, then I do not have a product. Yeah. Next. Click on next.
Oh, hold on. Can I change the brand name or I cannot?
We have to use the brand name here, which is on the product packaging.
So let me ask. So let's say I have it on the product packaging, and then in the future I want to start a new product, right? Do I need a new brand if I want to change the packaging?
No, if you change the packaging, you can list under the same. You can sell that product under the same listing. But
Okay.
and also, if you want, for example, get a new brand name, then you will need to get approval for that brand name as well.
Okay, gotcha.
And after getting this approval, apply to sell. After getting this approval, you will be able to list multiple products as much as you want in the beauty and personal care category with this brand name. Okay, check in all these boxes.
It's only 2 images. I thought it was 6.
2 images for the brand name approval and 6 images for the GTN exemption approval.
Okay.
Read the last checkbox. If you are requesting GTN exemption, images should include all sides of your product.
Check it or don't check it?
Check it. I'm just reading it for you to
Gotcha.
let you know that why I asked you to get the 6 images.
So here I put all 6, correct?
Yes, upload the all six images.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Done. So I applied the cell, right?
Yeah, you have applied that within 24 hours. Usually they respond. Usually they say sometimes they take more time, but the maximum 4 to 5 days. This is if you want to check the status of the approval request. Let me tell you that where from you can just scroll upward, click on Amazon in the top left side of the screen, and in the center of the screen, in bottom you see where it's written View Selling Applications. Center of the screen, yeah, in the bottom, yeah. You see now this says under review and the expected decision date is 28th June. So maximum 28th June and they can let you know before 28th. And
Okay.
as it will be approved, then you will be able to proceed for listing your products. So this was the first step that we have done already. Any questions do you have, you can ask.
Okay, so let me ask you. Let's say I get approved, right? What's next?
The next step will be that you can start listing your products under this with this brand name, using this brand name.
So I can start listing them. Okay. And how
Yeah.
long does that take to list the product? It's fast?
Listing product.
Yeah.
after getting this approval, listing product do not take that much time.
Got you. Okay, so we'll wait until the 28th. When I hear
Yeah.
back, I'll let you know.